I thought I'd pull out my camera. I ended up meeting my mom for lunch at the Cheesecake Factory, and I was totally in shock because they had so many new menu items. So I figured I will show you guys what I had, but then tell you what was new. And they have the avocado tacos, crispy crab bites, crab wontons, and of course I got soup and those chicken buffalo wing things, or those appetizers that I love, and I always get those. And also you'll see that my mom ended up getting the shepherd's pie because you know we're in fall and it's like soup season, and she wanted something hearty and warm, but she didn't want the same thing that I had. So we always try to mix it up, get something different. But yeah, if you are nearby the Cheesecake Factory, it's one of my staple favorites. I love it because sometimes I need a little sweet and salty. Stop by, they have some cool new items. They also had like a Thai chili shrimp dish. They had a new crab dip. I love some type of dip with a salty chip, and if you put any type of seafood in the dip, like a cheese or a fondue, oh my gosh, that speaks to me. That's the same as me snacking on soup, especially with chips. They also had a chili crunch shrimp pasta dish. I didn't try that one, and a new berry cheesecake. Yes, so take it from me. I had to put it in video, had to document it. Stop by the Cheesecake Factory. They have so many great new items, and yes, I'll see you in my next video. I'll try to upload more because I do get out and get about. It's just me remembering to turn my camera on. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.